Hey guys, it's Sinead. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing this gorgeous wig that I am wearing right now. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This is called the Stylist Swiss Lace Silk Top Wig, and I have it in the color Blue Black. The style is Curl-a-licious. I did purchase the wig from Sam's Beauty for $46.99. This is a blue black color. Let me get a little closer. Black at the top, and then towards the bottom you see the blue color. When I first put this wig on, it did look a little wiggy. I will add a clip of me wearing the wig when I first put it on. I had to put a little bit of work into it and styled it to my liking. One of the main benefits of this wig is that it has a 4x4 parting, meaning that you have a lot of options when it comes to the parting. It has a middle part, and you can also part it on both sides. See, I added some baby hairs to the front. Just a little bit, because you know, we're getting older. We don't need baby hairs all the way down our neck and our face. I prefer to keep it in the middle, but you know, it is multi-directional. So I realized that with some synthetic wigs, there tends to be a little hump that sticks up towards the end of the part. I do not like that. Girl, I had to get this wig together. In order to get it as flat and smooth as possible, just simply add a bit of water to a brush and then put a scarf on top of it for about a minute. This avoids having to add unnecessary heat to your unit. So I would definitely reach for this wig for like a night out, like going out with friends or going out to dinner, no special occasion. In terms of cap construction, this is a pretty standard cap. It's big head friendly. It has the 3 combs, so it has the 2 on the side, has adjustable straps. I might use the comb in the back from time to time, but that's about it. I don't use combs. If you have a wig grip, you can just throw that on. My favorite thing about this wig is definitely the color blend. It's not too bright. It's just perfect. I love navy blue, and it kind of blends it with my shirt. The longer you wear them, the more they begin to shed, so that's why I said it's not an everyday wig. As far as the length, it comes down here. I am 5'7", and it's pretty long on me, front and back. Yeah, it's pretty long on me. I'm loving this wig. Everything is blended out very nicely. The curls is popping. The texture, it reminds me of human hair. It doesn't feel plasticky, and it looks very realistic. It's soft and it's really nice. When I first put the wig on and I started brushing my fingers through it, I did not get a lot of shedding, but I did save the amount of hair that I did get, and this is what I got, and it's not too bad. Downside of this wig is that the tangles. You will experience a lot of tangles. If you're out and about, you will find yourself just trying to take those tangles out, and that can be annoying sometimes. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye guys.